SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Serve is absolutely crazy. For the longest time, this was about to clear out my highs. Like, I'm so freaking, yeah, I'm so sad and just frustrated by this because I was about to catch a beautiful 4.5 hour and then it just hit the break-evens, which is absolutely immaculate. Let me show you the previous prediction. Let's see if this is the thing that I'm looking for. So this was made 29th of January, 2 weeks ago. And what I can see having happened was, yeah, the time $16, right? 10 cents. And then since then, the price came down again. All these links are just, this is like a break-even point. So another break-even got hit there. I really started longing this since this 13th of December. And we've came like from 11 up to like the highest point was 23. So that's cool. But now there's a lot of stuff on the chart. In which case, I'm just going to move on the top. And with the current prediction that I have here, I'm only going to go back to the long side if the price pulls down deeper and then shows me that double break. If not, it's all cool. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Shift must occur in order for me to continue to double down on it. So that's why I have this waiting sign here. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.